Good morning, students. Hello everyone. All of you take out geography book. Today we learn the atmosphere. The term atmosphere refers to the mass of air surrounding the earth up to the height of several hundreds kilometers. It is this envelope of air that has made life possible on earth. The atmosphere is held close to earth because of earth's gravitation force. Composition of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the envelope of the air surrounding the earth. The air is defined as mixture of various gases. The composition of the atmosphere varies with height. The Earth's atmosphere is maximum of several gases. The most important of this air are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and ozone. Composition of the atmosphere. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, neon 0.0018%, helium 0.005%, ozone 0.0006%, hydrogen 0.0005%. Structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere of the earth has an almost definite structure and composition. The structure of the atmosphere refers to its complex layered arrangement. The atmosphere has 5 major layers: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere and the ionosphere, and the exosphere. Troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. It is most important from the points of view of the life on earth. Its thickness varies from about 8 km at the poles of about 16 km at the equator, being more in summer than in winter. All weather phenomena such as condensation and precipitation, layer temperature and pressures fall with height. The temperature decreases at the rate of 65 degrees centigrade of every 1 kilometer ascent. This rate of change in temperatures with increase in altitude is known as lapse rate. The top of the troposphere is marked by the tropopause. Temperature reaches a stable minimum here. The troposphere is also known as a cold trap. Stratosphere. The layer just above the troposphere is called the stratosphere. It extends up to 50 km. The absence of evacuation currents makes the conditions stable and ideal for flying jet planes. The layer has a band of ozone gas which protects us from the sun rays, harmful ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays are harmful and can cause skin cancer, eye problems and various skin diseases. Mesosphere. This layer extends to a height of 80 km and lies above the stratosphere. Here the temperature decreases with the height till it reaches 100 degrees centigrade at the end of the mesosphere. The mesosphere is also the protective layer wherein most meteorites burn out due to the friction with the atmosphere. Ionosphere. Ionosphere is located above the mesosphere and extends up to about 600 kilometers. The layer is called ionosphere because it contains electrically charged ion that reflects the radio waves back to the earth. This makes radio communication possible. Radio waves transmitted from the earth and reflected back to earth by this layer. The facility is long distance wireless and satellite communications. Exosphere, the upmost layer of the atmosphere which extends beyond the ionosphere up to the height of the 960 kilometers is called the exosphere. The temperature here is estimated to the beyond 5500 centigrade. The air is very thin on account of low density. Only the lighter gases like helium and the hydrogen are found here. Importance of the atmosphere. It is essential for both plant and animal life because it contains life-giving gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. The atmosphere is protective shield as it saves us from falling meteorites and the other debris which come nursing towards the earth from the space. The atmosphere acts as the blanket. It regulates the air temperatures on the earth. It prevents extreme temperature which would have made life impossible.